Hello everyone and welcome back to Cleanastic. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite things. I'm going to show you how to organize a bookshelf with a lot of books. So there are a lot of different ways and a lot of different tricks you can do when you organize a bookshelf and you don't have so much space. You can organize it by colors, by publisher, by authors, or by genre. So I had a rainbow shelf for a while. Then I organized it by publisher, and today I'm going to show you how to organize it by genre, and I'm going to tell you a few tricks you can use and a few tips if you don't have so much space and you're just going to make it look pretty. So stay tuned. So right now, first of all, I'm going to take everything out of the bookshelf and also all this decoration I have up here. So you might have a bookshelf or a shelf that does not have no walls. So you can use these book stands if you want to. Put it left and right, put the books in the middle. That's the easy way. But you can also do something different. You can just choose some books and use the books as your stand. Put it left and right some books, and then you put some books in the middle. Your stand. That's the easy way to organize your books. They're not going to fall down, and it's looking nice. I am officially done now. As you can see, it looks totally different. So I'm going to show you what I did here. First of all, I put some books on top of the shelf, just because I don't have so much space in my shelf and I still got a lot of books I did not read. Then what I totally like is if you twist the books around, that you can see the cover, because some books just got beautiful covers, and you know, they're just going to be hidden if you put your books in there like normal. So what is also super cool is when you decorate your bookshelf. So I put some flowers here, I got some leaves and a little elephant also on top of it. If you know you got books from a row, you know, like 3 books in a row from the same author or something, you can put them together. I just like this. If you got less space in your shelf, then you should twist your books around like this, because that just gives you a lot of space. If you don't put them in there straight, if you just put them in there like this. And if you don't like the covers, what happens sometimes, you just put in the books like this, you know. It can look cool like this too. Overall, I have to say that you got many ways how you can organize your bookshelf. I just did it now. I put these books on top because I like them. That's my favorite books up there. Then I put all my thrillers are here in this section here. I got my normal books right there, this section and this one. I got fantasy, this and this and this. I still try to put the books together that belong together. Then the biggest section, the love book, new adult, young adult. Yeah, and all the way in the bottom, I got my cookbooks and my audiobooks, because I think that they should go in the bookshelf too. They belong to me too. I'm listening to audiobooks all the time. And yeah, and I also want to show you that I got a special shelf for my books I did not read yet. I just got a special shelf on the opposite side of the room for all my books I didn't read yet. I bought them, but I did not have no time to read them yet. So that I don't get confused, they just have a special spot. So I hope you liked that video about how to organize a bookshelf with a lot of books. I hope you're going to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. With your subscription, you can help us to reach 200 followers. Once we reach 200 followers, we're going to make a giveaway of a €25 Amazon gift card. So that would really be amazing if you would subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more, just leave a comment. I'm going to show you a different way. I'm going to show you how to clean a bookshelf. Just let us know what you want to see, and see you the next time.